Hey guys, it's Sage here at the Panhandle-Plains Historical Museum. Today we are going to be creating our very own art piece inspired by Georgia O'Keeffe's Red Landscape, which is right behind me. This painting, which is an oil painting, was painted in 1917 here in Canyon by Georgia O'Keeffe. And this is actually one of only 4 pieces of her oil paintings that she painted while in Canyon. So today we are making a tinfoil piece of art inspired by her red landscape painting. And this is super simple. You can do this with materials you have at home. So what you'll need is cardstock, yarn, tinfoil, scissors, glue, and Sharpies. So your first thing that you will need to do is sketch out your design. So Georgia O'Keeffe loved landscapes, but she also loved flowers as well. So I already sketched out a design of a poppy, one of Georgia O'Keeffe's favorite flowers. So now I'm going to take my liquid Elmer's glue and trace my lines in glue. And this takes a little bit of time. And once you get all your lines traced, we'll go over it in yarn. So I'm gonna take it petal by petal, do a little bit, and then put my yarn down on top of the glue. And you can either try to do it all in one piece of yarn, or you can cut sections. I found that cutting sections is much easier to deal with. All right guys, now that I have all my lines traced in glue and then placed yarn over top, this is the result. So it looks kind of ambiguous right now, but once we get some color on there, we'll be able to tell that it's a flower. So next I'm going to take tinfoil and I'm going to tear off a sheet about the size of my paper. It's okay if it's a little bigger. And I'm going to place my paper down onto the tinfoil and wrap the tinfoil around the paper. So I'm just tucking these extra edges around the cardstock. So then should have a blank sheet of tinfoil. Now comes the fun part. We are going to trace the yarn with our fingers so you can feel the yarn underneath the tinfoil, and when you press down, it will outline the yarn and you'll be able to see your image. All right, if you guys can tell, we have pressed down around all the yarn and start to see the outline of our flower appearing. So now I'm just gonna add color by using Sharpies, and I would recommend Sharpies rather than Crayola markers because Crayola markers will just smudge off the tinfoil, but Sharpies will stick and stay. And I'm not gonna color in the whole image because it'd take too long, but I will show you again. This is the result. So once you have your whole piece colored in, try to stay away from the yarn lines. That's what kind of makes the tinfoil image look pretty cool, is if you leave those yarn lines to outline each part of your picture. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little art activity, and you'll come see Georgia O'Keeffe's Red Landscape here at the museum. Thanks for watching.